Hey everyone, day 4 of OpenAI's 12 Days of Shipmas is here, and it's all about Canvas. Canvas is a collaboration tool built inside of ChatGPT. You can use it for things like writing and coding projects. But unlike the traditional chat format, Canvas provides a side-by-side workspace where users can interactively develop and refine content alongside the help of ChatGPT. Today, they did do a live demonstration on some use cases of the tool, from writing all the way to coding, where it was able to provide live recommendations for code. Three of the biggest things that came out. Canvas is now available to all ChatGPT users, which is big. It's a huge tool. I see it as more like a tutor inside of ChatGPT, as it kind of works alongside you. And if it's like something you're looking at learning, whether it be writing all the way to coding, it's going to be there to guide you every step of the way. So available to all users, that's the first big thing. The next really big thing is now you can run and execute Python code directly inside of Canvas. I'm not sure on the other coding languages such as HTML. It seems like that could be a big one that could come soon. But right now they had announced Python can run and execute directly inside of ChatGPT Canvas. So that is number 2. Number 3 is Canvas will now work inside of custom GPTs. So if you have a custom GPT model, they showcased this one today about Santa Claus. They made some custom GPT for Santa Claus and how he could easily screen letters and determine like gifts for specific people. It was kind of funny, but there's so many different use cases for this. But custom GPTs, I think some of us have forgotten about that, but now that Canvas is rolled out and now that you can execute Python code directly inside, I think it's super interesting. I do want to show like a piece of this clip today, as it kind of shows you exactly what Canvas looks like if you're kind of new to it. So here's a quick demonstration from the OpenAI team on exactly how it could be used.
The most significant thing that's different is you have this side-by-side view, where on the left is the chat, as you're used to it, and on the right is Canvas. And in Canvas, right now, ChatGPT is busy writing the story for us. This is pretty different from what would happen if you wrote this kind of prompt before. You know, ChatGPT is good at doing this sort of creative writing work, but it would write it directly inline in chat, and sometimes it's hard to piece out what's the document and like what's the preamble or the what comes after. Or especially if you wanted to make any changes along the way, things tend to get lost. This is a collaborative document, and just like you might be used to in other document editors, you can come in here, you can add text, you can bold text, you can do lots of things you can do in other document editors. You can edit, ChatGPT can edit. I could go over back to chat, and just similar like I would do in any other ChatGPT workflow, I could give it feedback, I could ask for changes, and it's going to come in and make those changes directly into the canvas, which has a handful of commonly used shortcuts that's based on things that we know people do in ChatGPT. Suggest edits, ask ChatGPT for feedback about what we might want to change about this. Adjust the length, might make this longer or shorter. Maybe I want a shorter bedtime story. Reading level will change this to make it more sophisticated language or simpler language in case I wanted to make it easier to read for my younger kids. Add final polish is really helpful, especially when you bring your own content. Check for spelling mistakes, grammar, things like that. And then add emojis. That sounds fun.
Yeah, we love emojis.
All right.
That concludes day 4 of OpenAI's 12 Days of Innovation. Everything about Canvas. We will see what they come out with tomorrow. So tomorrow is the 5th day of OpenAI's 12 Days of Innovation. I'll come back with you all and provide some updates for then. But nonetheless, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.